Hello and welcome to the unseen universe. That's right. Today we have another special episode. Today we're doing a special rock. It's called hematite. Wow. I have 3 samples of the rock here. 2 are in my hand. Wow, look at that special hematite. Wow. Yeah, so hematite is an iron oxide rock and it comes in shades of green and gray.
Does it come in blue too?
It does not come in blue, but it does come in gray and
Ooh,
green.
I love the color gray.
You do?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a beautiful color, yeah.
Okay.
And so this is hematite and it's a very special rock, and when it scratches something, it scratches it red.
Ooh.
Do you see that little piece of red on there?
Yeah.
So let's take a closer look to see what the hematite rock looks up close.
Yeah.
Here we go. So the first one we're going to do is the 5x objective. There's the hematite. Look at that. Wow. You see little cracks and grooves. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, look at this beautiful shiny green one.
Look at this green too.
And you can see the different. So I'm using the polarizer again so we can see.
You can see the red on it.
The red on it, yeah, you can see the red. And look at that. It has the different shades of colors. And you can see the little grooves and cracks and craters and stuff. Yeah, like that. So that's the way this one looks. Look at that, beautiful. And I think it's called submetallic because some of them are really shiny and some are not that shiny.
This one is really shiny.
That one is really shiny. And this one is really shiny, the one we have under. So that's the one we're showing right now. Let's go a little bit closer. Yeah, okay, we're going to turn the turret. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, the different little grooves and craters and cracks. Yeah, like that on that special hematite rock. Look at all those different colors. You see red?
Yeah.
You're right, I do see red. I do see red. Yeah, those are, where's your little hematite rock go? There it is. That,
I put it in my pocket.
you put it in your pocket. Yours has a lot of red. Yeah, beautiful red.
I see red a little bit right there.
A little bit of red.
And I see blue and green and red too.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, the polarizer makes everything beautiful and shiny. Look at that. Hey, let's go in deeper one more time.
Yeah.
Who's ready?
Me.
You are. Okay, let's go.
We are. Whoa!
Whoa, what are we looking at here? Now it's just, we're really close. All those small cracks that we saw in the rock are now large and bigger. Wow, the stone appears smooth. Oh, thank you for the little kiss. It looks so smooth, right? Does this appear smooth? Yeah, so look at that beautiful hematite rock, guys.
And look at mine hematite.
Hey, did you know that the Mars Global Surveyor found hematite on Mars?
No.
Yeah, that special satellite, it found hematite on Mars. Wow, this...
And I know that sometimes robotic rovers land on Mars and they go around and sometimes they find hematite rocks.
That's right. Wow. Yeah, the rovers search for the hematite rock. They'll find it down there. It's down there under the surface. Wow, that's really cool.
It's just right there and then...
Good job. So that's it for today, guys. We looked really closely at the hematite rock. There you go. You found it again.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, smooth, shiny rock.
Beautiful red little green rock.
Hope you guys enjoyed it as we searched through the unseen universe.